This question is generally straightforward. The moment you see two angles are added here, we think of our compound angle formula, and this will be given in your examination. However, sometimes the question could be like this: sine of x plus 30 equals to half. In this case, see, in trigonometry, whenever you see this solve any trig equation, end of the day, the idea should be having one trigonometric ratio here, either sine of something, cos of something, tan of something, that is equal to a number. So the idea is bringing only one trig ratio on one side and a number on other side. In this case, you can see that a number is not there on other side. Then we go to this compound angle formula. In this case, a number is there already. Then you find what is x plus 30, meaning you find x plus 30 equals to sine inverse of half, and you know how to do thereafter. You find the angle and you use cast or you use graphs to find the angles. So remember, the point is whenever you have a ratio given here, even though you can apply double angle formula, there is no need because there is already a number here. And in this case, we need double angle formula because here cos x is there and we cannot even divide by cos and make it tan because the angles are not the same. What I mean by that is, suppose if you had sin x is equal to, let's say, half of cos x, then you can try dividing by cos x both sides. When you divide by cos x both sides, this right hand side will become half. This would become sin x divided by cos x, which is tan x. So you cannot even do this idea here. That's why you go to double angle formula. You need to know how the questions would be asked and when you need to use the formulas. To keep it simple, if you have a number already and one trig ratio on the left hand side, you will directly go and find the angle. If you have something like this, you try to make it into one ratio. In this case, the possibility is using double angle formula. So you write sin x cos 30 plus cos x sin 30 is equal to cos x. And now you replace these values. Cos 30, you know the value already. So sin x times cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 plus cos x we don't know, you'll write as it is. Sin x is half is equal to cos x. Now you can see that whenever you have cos x one side and the equation is with sin x and cos x, one of the good ideas, one of the best ideas is dividing by cos x both sides. When you divide by cos x both sides, this would become sin x divided by cos x, which is tan x times root 3 divided by 2 plus cos x divided by cos x is 1. 1 times half is half is equal to cos x divided by cos x is 1. If you rearrange the equation, tan x is equal to 1 minus half is half, and you divide by root 3 by 2. This simplification, I'm doing it quickly. You can do whatever day you prefer to do. It becomes times 2 by root 3. And this is 1 divided by root 3. So then you get the values for tan x. Values for x. So x is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by root 3. And that is, if you put it in the calculator, that is going to be 30 degrees. I can see that question is in degrees. It is safe to write in degrees. Always check that. And now I go for my cast diagram. Tan is positive. Whenever you do cast diagram, you see tan is positive or negative. Tan is equal to some positive number. So tan is positive here and here. CAST. All angles are positive. All ratios are positive. Tan is positive here. And this is 30 degrees. If this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. and you start measuring each angle. Then I'll change the color to make it more obvious. The first angle is 30 degrees. So you say x equal to 30 degrees. And the second angle you would measure again. The second angle, you start from positive x-axis, you all the way you go here, you will measure that. That is going to be 210 degrees. This is your final answer.